The next question is a word usage question. Word usage questions have been very popular with CAT in the last few years. One must attempt these questions with a little bit of caution, as the accuracy in these questions is pretty low and the error which features in these questions is not very evident. Let's look at this question. The featured word here is walk. Let's look at the first option. The prosecution walked all over the witness. This statement is correct and hence is not the answer. The error is given in option D, in the phrase walk in at. The correct phrase should be walk in on, which means to interrupt someone or something by entering a place. Option A is correct, as to walk all over someone means to treat someone or something very badly, or to beat someone or something soundly in competitions. Statement B says, I have been walking a tightrope all day. I need to relax. To walk a tightrope means to be in a situation where one must be very cautious and aware. Option C states, when it comes to recycling, he talks the talk but doesn't walk the walk. When we say that someone talks the talk but does not walk the walk, we mean that he do not do what he says. Option D hence is the correct answer in this case. The next question again is a word usage question, and the word featured here is broke. The erroneous statement here is option B. The phrase all hell broke loose would be correct. Here all is missing and in the option it is featured as hell broke loose. All hell broke loose means that all kinds of weird and odd things happened at the time. So when the statement says when the boss left early for the weekend, all hell broke loose, which this means that when the boss left early, everything went haywire. Option A is correct. Option A says I'm dead broke, not a nickel to my name. When someone is dead broke, it means that he is completely broke, without any money, without any hard cash. Option C says our best team player came down sick and that was the straw that broke the camel's back. The idiom, the straw that broke the camel's back, means that the last burden or the problem that caused everything to collapse. Option D says she decided to go for broke and pursue her acting career full time. To go for broke means to risk everything in order to achieve what you want. Hence, she risked everything to pursue her acting career full time. Correct answer in this case will be option B.